Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation, properties and uses of silicon tetrachloride. First of all, let us see the formula for silicon tetrachloride. The formula for silicon tetrachloride is SiCl4. Here Si represents silicon, tetra represents 4 and chloride represents Cl. So that is silicon tetrachloride. Okay, let us see the preparation of silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride can be prepared by passing trichlorine over an intimate mixture of silica and carbon by heating of 1675 Kelvin in a porcelain tube. So here we take silica. Silica represents SiO2, that is silica dioxide, plus carbon plus trichlorine is passed through the porcelain tube. So here silica tetrachloro we obtain silica tetrachloride plus carbon, remaining carbon, here oxygen. So carbon monoxide is found. So 2 times of oxygen. So here 2 times, carbon 2 times. So here also 2 times. Here silica tetrachloride, silica 1 time, so here also 1 time, and tetra represent 4 times of chlorine, but here only 2 times of chlorine. So now we put 2, so 2 2s are 4. Now equations are balanced. And next one is commercial preparation. So commercial scale means huge amount, more amount. So we prepared a large amount of silicon tetrachloride. On commercial scale, silicon is reacted with hydrogen chloride gas. So here we take gas, it gives silicon tetrachloride at 600 Kelvin. So here you take silicon plus hydrogen chloride gas is taken, gives silicon tetrachloride plus hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, so here 4 times of chlorine. So 4 times of chlorine means here we take 4 times of hydrogen chloride. So silica only 1 time, here also only 1 time. Chlorine here 4 times, here also chlorine 4 times. But hydrogen gas here 2 times, but here hydrogen gas is 4 times. How is balance the equation? So here 2 times. So 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, so here also 4 hydrogen. So this is the preparation of silicon tetrachloride. And then properties of silicon tetrachloride. It is a colorless fuming liquid and it freezes at -70 degrees Celsius. In moist air, silicon tetrachloride is hydrolyzed with water to give orthosilicic acid and hydrochloric acid. Here, hydrolysis means broken the bond. Let us see the equation. Silicon tetrachloride SiCl4 plus water molecules, that is H2O, it gives orthosilicic acid. The formula for orthosilicic acid is SiOH 4 times. So that is orthosilicic acid plus 4 times of hydrogen chloride. Here 4 times of silica. So here 4 times of water molecules. So 4 times of hydrogen chloride, 4 times of Cl. Here hydrogen totally 8 times, 4 2s are 8. Here 4 times of hydrogen, here also 4 times of oxygen. And oxygen molecules here 4 times, so here also oxygen molecules 4 times. And silicon here 1 time, here also 1 time of silicon. So this is represent orthosilicic acid. So another structure is orthosilicic acid, that is H4SiO4. So write like this: Si 1 time, hydrogen 4 times and oxygen molecules also 4 times. So SiO and hydrogen 4 times. So that is orthosilicic acid. When silicon tetrachloride is hydrolyzed with moist ether, linear perchlorosiloxanes are formed. That is Cl, SiCl2O n times SiCl3, where n is equal to 1 to 6. So here linear perchlorosiloxanes. The functional groups of siloxanes is Si, OSI. So this is the functional groups of siloxanes. Now I draw the structure of this one. First I draw functional groups of siloxanes. Si. Here SiCl 3 times. So here one Cl, Cl and then another one Cl. Then next one Cl 2 times. So here one Cl, here another one Cl. SiCl2O n times. So SiCl2 times O, that is n times. So here n times. And next one another one Cl. So here Cl. And then where here n is equal to 1 to 6. Suppose here n is equal to 1 means like this structure. Suppose n is equal to 2 means same structure. Repeat another one SiO, Si functional groups is present here. So now I draw n is equal to 2. So here 2 times mean first SiO, Si. So here Cl 3 times. So Cl, Cl, Cl. Okay, here 2 times is present. So again O, Si. Here Cl 2 times. So Cl, Cl. And another one Si. So 2 times. So Cl, Cl. And then Cl. This is 2 times. Suppose you have taken 3 times mean again SiO, then here 3 times. Now let us see the alcoholysis. Here the chloride ion in silicon tetrachloride can be substituted by nucleophile such as OH, OR, etc. using suitable reagents. For example, it forms silicic esters with alcohols. Here nucleophile mean attack the nucleus. It's mean positively charged part. Okay. Silicon tetrachloride formula is SiCl4. That is reacted with any type of alcohol. Now I take ethyl alcohol. Methyl represents CH3. Ethyl represents C2H5. Alcohol functional group is OH. When it is reacted, it gives silicic esters plus hydrogen chloride. First hydrogen chloride is formed. So here 4 times chlorine. So hydrogen chloride, 4 times chlorine, so 4 times. But here hydrogen 1 time, so here hydrogen is 4 times. Okay. Plus what is remaining here is Si. Here OC2H5, that is 4 times. So OC2H5 4 times. So this represent 4 represent tetra. Here C2H5 represent ethyl group and O represent ether group. So ethyl and ether represent ethoxy. Here silane. Tetra ethoxy silane is formed. And then let us see the ammonialysis. Ammonialysis means reaction with ammonia. Similarly, silicon tetrachloride undergoes ammonialysis to form chlorosiloxanes. Okay. So here azane. So azane means NH. Siloxanes represent here Si, here also Si. Okay. So silicon tetrachloride, that is SiCl4. It's reacted with ammonialysis. Ammonialysis means reacted with ammonia. The formula for ammonia is NH3. Heated at 330 Kelvin in the presence of ether. It gives chlorosiloxanes. That is, first we write the functional groups Si, NH, Si, then here Cl 3 times and here also Cl 3 times. So that is chlorosiloxanes. So here 2 times is K. Okay. Hydrogen 3 times present here, but here hydrogen only 1 time. So remaining hydrogen is 2 times of hydrogen. And here Chlorine 4 2s are 8, but here we apply 3 plus 3 6. So remaining chlorine is 2 types. So that is hydrogen chloride. So chlorosilazines plus hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid is formed here. That's all for ammonialysis. And then let us see the uses of silicon tetrachloride. It is used in the production of semiconducting silicons. It is used as a starting material in the synthesis of silica gel, silicic esters, a binder for ceramic materials. Binder means paste. So that's all for preparation, properties and uses of silicon tetrachloride. Thank you, students.